Good morning, students. Welcome to Monday, January 11th, 2021. Few announcements for today. We have live meetings today for math and reading at our usual times, 10 o'clock for math, 9 o'clock for math and 11 o'clock for reading. I have open office hours from 10 to 10:45, our usual. Secondly, just a reminder that you're staying on top of those trimester 2 assignments. It's always hard to play catch up, so make sure that you are getting your assignments turned in on time. Reminder that assignments are due by the end of the day. So if there's a homework posted that day, that homework is expected to be posted by the end of the day. And lastly, there was information sent out to you by the district. You can find that information in the Westwood newsletter. It will talk to you or explain to you about the changes in our learning starting January 21st. A couple of key points that the pre-K through 6 is starting back at school full-time on January 21st. And the second bullet is that there will be no school for students on January 18th through the 20th. So once again, this information will be or has been sent out to you. And it's also in this Westwood newsletter. Let's start with language arts today. In language arts, you're going to notice that we have a big full agenda. So we're going to complete lesson 1 from Friday. So our agenda is here just to kind of give you a quick synopsis of what that looks like and some quick information about what's completed in class, and then also what your assignments are and what is due tomorrow. For a better understanding of your homework in Schoology, I did post in the week of January 11th through the 15th in the daily work section all of the information that we're doing today in class live, just in case you missed something or we're moving too quickly with your journal. And then the second piece is the homework that's expected to be done today in your digital journal. So there's 3 homework assignments today. One is your digital journal. You're going to do your response journal, and there's 4 questions that need to be added. Second, it's your fluency workbook. You have handout 1A, Fluency Practice 1, and then you also have your digital journal vocabulary journal section, and then you're going to add that word cope. So you have 3 homework assignments that need to be added to your journal, or otherwise you're doing in your workbook. And in math today, there's no new homework in math because we didn't complete lesson 323. So we're going to head back to that lesson 323. We're going to finish up with that today. If you did not do the review preview from Friday, then that is your homework. Otherwise, you do not have homework for today in math. And in social studies, we're going to continue on with chapter 6, and you are now on assignment 6. In science, there's no new learning, just making sure that you're completing the assignments that are already given to you, but expect that you will have new assignments tomorrow and Wednesday. As always, if you have any questions, my office hours are open from 10 to 10:45, so come on in or send me a message. Have a great day.